Once again, man, Biggs and Sassy acting like siblings, just can't get along. We're at the studio location, and yeah, this is what siblings do. Remind me of me and my sister. Yeah, if they ain't hurting each other, they ain't harming each other, man. It's just puppies being puppies, and they play a little rough with each other. Hey, be nice. Big, Sassy, come here. Be a good boy. What's happening, buddy? What's up, buddy? What's up, man? What's up, girl? What's up, man? Now you being nice? You ever nice? You want to bite? Be nice. Be nice. Hey, be nice, man. Yeah, man, they're gonna be two nice little guard dogs for the house, man. On the little fella side. Everything better with the little fellas, man. I ain't want no big dogs. So I went and got me some gargoyle bullies. Come here. Yeah, y'all can guarantee the girls are always aggressive. Well, not on that occasion. But y'all stay tuned for more adventures from Biggs and Sassy's, man. Right now they being a little frisky. So I'm gonna have to probably take them out for a walk and let them get some air. Hey, chill out. Hey. Play nice. I put you up there earlier. You didn't want to stay up there. Yeah, I put you up there earlier. You didn't want to stay. I put you up there. You didn't want to stay up there. Yeah, take it out on your brother then. Hey, let him go.